Hey, so if you want your emails and calendar to work together smoothly, like seeing meetings directly from Gmail or creating events instantly, yeah, Google makes this pretty easy. In this guide, I'll show you how to integrate Google Calendar with Gmail step by step. All right, first, make sure you're signed into the same Google account in both Gmail and Google Calendar. Now open Gmail and click the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Make sure smart features and personalization are turned on so Gmail can connect with calendar data. When Gmail detects dates or meetings in emails, it automatically suggests adding them to your calendar. You can click on an email and select More Options to create a calendar event instantly. Turn on the Google Calendar side panel in Gmail so you can view your schedule while checking emails. Make sure notifications are enabled so you get reminders directly from Calendar and Gmail. Now send yourself an email with a meeting date and check if it appears in your calendar automatically. If anything isn't syncing, check your Google account's sync settings and refresh them. And yeah, that's it. Once set up, Gmail and Google Calendar work together seamlessly to keep your schedule organized.